Have you ever wondered why your grandmother could walk miles at 80 while you're already feeling creaky at 40? The answer might be sitting right there in her kitchen. She didn't know about collagen peptides or inflammation markers, but she knew something we've forgotten. Real food fixes real problems. Here's what's happening to your joints right now. By the time you hit 65, your body produces less than half the collagen it needs. Your knees start grinding, your ankles swell, and every morning feels like you're wearing concrete boots. Most people accept this as normal aging. But what if it's not? What if the solution isn't in a supplement bottle, but in 9 simple foods that can rebuild your joints from the inside out? Foods so powerful, they can reduce leg swelling by 47 inches just 8 weeks. Foods that increase joint flexibility by 44 inches 12 weeks. Real food, not marketing promises. The question isn't whether you're getting old. The question is whether you're giving your body what it needs to repair itself. Because it turns out, it's trying to heal you every single day. You just have to feed it properly. The supplement industry wants you to believe you need their magic powders. But here's what they don't tell you. Your body doesn't just need collagen. It needs the building blocks to make collagen, and the cofactors to use it properly, and the minerals to bind it where it belongs. You can't get that from a scoop of powder. You can get it from food. But first, tell me, do you know if you are consuming the ideal amount of collagen daily? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to mention where you're watching from. Food number 1, oysters. Oysters are basically collagen's best friends. They're packed with zinc, eat just a couple, and you've already hit or blown past your daily dose. That zinc helps your body whip up and fix collagen so your skin stays strong and smooth. Plus, oysters come loaded with glycine and proline, the key amino acids your body snaps together to build collagen in the first place. Research shows that oyster hydrolysate, basically a concentrated oyster extract, can crank up your collagen levels and help keep wrinkles at bay. Food number 2, aloe vera. Applying aloe vera gel topically is effective for treating sunburns, but oral consumption of aloe also provides skin benefits. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Dermatology discovered that low doses of aloe increased collagen content in the dermal layer of the skin, the middle layer. The research indicates that daily oral intake of 40 micrograms of aloe helped improve skin barrier function, hydration, and elasticity. Food number 3, egg yolks. Everyone throws away the yolks. They eat the whites because someone told them yolks are bad for cholesterol. But the yolk is where the magic happens. Egg yolks contain sulfur, biotin, and vitamin D. Not collagen itself, but the tools your body needs to build collagen. Think of it like having a construction site, but no tools. You can dump all the materials you want on the ground, but nothing gets built until someone shows up with a hammer. Sulfur creates the amino acid chains that form collagen structure. Without it, your body's collagen production slows dramatically. That shows up as weak ligaments, aching joints, and swelling in your legs. Some studies suggest that specific amino acids like glycine and proline, abundant in collagen-rich foods, may support collagen production. However, the role of whole eggs in directly enhancing collagen synthesis remains to be fully elucidated. But here's the thing. You have to eat the yolks soft-cooked, not scrambled until they're rubber. Poaching, soft boiling, or gentle frying preserves the sulfur compounds. Overcooking destroys them. If you're worried about cholesterol, recent studies show that for most people over 50, whole eggs don't raise cholesterol to dangerous levels. They may actually support the protective kind. The egg industry didn't fund these studies. Independent researchers did. Food number 4, bone-in canned salmon. Everyone discards the bones. They think bones are gross or dangerous or inedible. But canned salmon bones are soft from the canning process. They're packed with natural collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin. Choose wild-caught canned salmon with bones still inside. Mash the bones right into the meat with a fork. Mix it into salads, spread it on toast with avocado, stir it into grain bowls. The nutritional synergy comes from eating the meat and bones together, not just the fish alone. Most people pay extra for boneless salmon. They're paying more to get less nutrition. It's like buying a car and leaving the engine behind. Food number 5, skin on chicken. Chicken skin has been demonized for decades. Low-fat diet advice told us to remove it. But chicken skin contains type 1 collagen, the exact kind found in your joints, cartilage, and ligaments. A 2019 study published in Alternative Therapies in Health and Medicine found that middle-aged women, aged 39 to 59, who took oral collagen supplements made from chicken cartilage experienced improvements in fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, and skin elasticity. Cook the skin slowly and gently. Baking, roasting, or simmering preserves the collagen without creating inflammatory compounds. Avoid deep frying, which oxidizes the oils and triggers inflammation. The texture takes getting used to. But your knees don't care about texture. They care about getting the raw materials they need to stop grinding together. Food number 6, gelatin. Gelatin is cooked collagen. It's extracted from bones, skin, and connective tissue, then processed into a powder that dissolves in warm liquid. When you consume it, it goes straight to work on your joints. Choose unflavored, grass-fed powder without sugar or artificial ingredients. Stir it into warm water, tea, or bone broth. You can make your own collagen-rich gummies with natural juice or add it to soups to thicken the broth. The key is consistency. A small dose daily has been shown to support long-term improvement in joint function. One warm cup a day could bring back the flexibility that pain took away. Food number 7, sardines with skin and bones. Sardines are one of the most collagen-dense foods you can eat, especially with the skin and bones included. Those soft, edible bones contain type 1 collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and natural gelatin. The skin has elastin and omega-3 fats that reduce joint inflammation. Choose canned sardines in water or olive oil, not soybean oil or heavy sauces. Make sure bones and skin are intact. Mash them into avocado toast, stir into rice bowls, or mix into salads with lemon and herbs. If the taste is too strong, try blending with plain Greek yogurt and mustard for a mild spread. Your taste buds might resist, but your joints will thank you. Food number 8, bone broth. Bone broth isn't just soup, it's liquid collagen therapy. When bones simmer for hours, they release gelatin, type 1 and type 2 collagen, glycine, proline, and joint-repairing nutrients that target inflammation and connective tissue breakdown. A study conducted on mice discovered that bone broth made from pork bones increased collagen levels and enhanced skin firmness. Unlike collagen powders stripped of cofactors, bone broth contains everything your body needs to absorb, convert, and use collagen efficiently, including the minerals needed to bind it inside joint structures. Use bones with connective tissue, like chicken backs, turkey necks, or beef knuckles. Simmer 12 to 24 hours with onion, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and herbs. The vinegar draws minerals from bone into broth. This isn't just soup. It's slow-simmered joint medicine in a mug. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you enjoy our content and want access to exclusive benefits, become a channel member. As a member, you will unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. Just click the join button and be part of this community that values health and well-being. Your support helps us keep bringing high-quality content for you. Food number 9, beef tendons. Beef tendons might not sound appealing, but they're the most collagen-dense food on Earth. Tendons are almost entirely type 1 collagen, the same type in your skin, ligaments, and bones. When properly cooked, they release powerful peptides that directly target deteriorating connective tissues. Tendons must be slow-cooked for 8 to 12 hours until they become soft and jelly-like. Cook them with garlic, ginger, and rice vinegar to enhance flavor and digestion. Chop into soups, stews, or noodle bowls. What are the benefits of eating collagen? Muscle builder. Collagen is full of glycine, which your body turns into creatine, the extra juice your muscles crave to push harder and grow stronger. Heart helper. It acts like scaffolding for your arteries, keeping those blood highways sturdy instead of floppy. Skin savior. Collagen is your skin's built-in bounce factor, locking in moisture and fighting the saggy, wrinkly stuff that shows up with age and sun. Joint cushion. Think of it as WD-40 for your cartilage. More collagen can mean less creaking and fewer ow moments in your knees, hips, and elbows. Bone backup. Your skeleton is laced with collagen too. Topping up helps keep bones dense and tough, fending off issues like osteoporosis down the road. Your body is trying to heal itself right now. It's attempting to rebuild your cartilage, repair your ligaments, and reduce the inflammation that's causing your pain. The question is whether you're giving it the tools it needs. You can spend hundreds on supplements that might work, or you can eat foods that definitely work, foods that have been working for thousands of years, long before anyone knew what collagen was. The choice is simple. Keep doing what you're doing and accept that joint pain is inevitable. Or start feeding your body what it actually needs and see what happens. Your knees are waiting for an answer. If this video has been informative, please type yes, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this knowledge with loved ones. Also, I highly recommend you to watch 2 additional videos popping on your screen right now. You will certainly find them interesting too. Thank you for watching.